Good morning, students. Now, let us start with the exercise 6.5. 6.5, 4 exercise problems all are over. Refer the example problem in the book actually. Now, the exercise 6.5, first you must know some important key points. The first one is the shortest distance between the two straight lines. In particularly, shortest distance between the parallel line and the skew lines are there. Two types of lines are there. The first one is the two lines are said to be coplanar if they lie on the same line. Two lines are in space are called the skew line if they are not parallel. That is what? Do not intersect. The shortest distance between the two parallel lines is R vector equal to A vector plus S into B vector after scalar vector, you know. Similarly, R vector equal to C vector plus T into B vector after scalar. Here and here are both the same. That's why two lines are parallel. Sometimes this vector, you know, some scalar multiplied by another vector also parallel vector. Am I right? The same thing will come otherwise. This vector is equal to some scalar multiplied by another vector is also B and D. Suppose here D is involved, some other vector involving. But comparing both, this vector is equal to some scalar multiplied by another vector also parallel. Therefore, automatic distance between the two parallel is modulus of, this is called delta, modulus of C vector minus A vector cross B vector by modulus of B vector. Modulus of B vector always not equal to, that's understood. Okay, refer the question whether it is parallel or skew lines. These two vectors are different from one another, means that is called skew lines. The same thing will be parallel. Next one is what? The shortest distance that two skew lines. S into B vector, T into D vector. That means what? This is what different vector. That's why this is called skew vector. Skew lines actually. Skew lines. What is the formula? The same formula is C minus A vector dot. The D also you know B cross C by modulus of B cross C. Now here C minus A vector dot B cross equal to 0 means then the lines are intersect each other. Sometimes the question is what? So that two lines are intersect each other means you will put this part alone. Am I right? That is called coplanar lines. This is the important idea for exercise 6.5. Very important concept there. Here 5 more questions, so many questions are there. We have in exercise 8 problems are there. Some of the example also is there. We have only two formula and also to find the point of intersection as ordinary area only. I will explain everything. This is a formula actually. Point of intersection is small idea. Anyway, you must solve all the formula from this exercise. I will do. Now listen here. Exercise 6.5. The first question. Find the parametric form of the vector equation and the Cartesian equation asking. Usually, vector equation Cartesian asking me one point, one parallel vector, or both the points are given. In this way given, previous exercise. But here, Cartesian method straight line, positive one point is given, and it is perpendicular to the straight two straight lines are given. Usually, I already told you know, R vector equal to A vector plus some scalar into some vector. This is called B vector. Next one is what? D vector. This is a point after scalar. S, T, P, Q, lambda, mu. This is all scalar. After scalar, first one is B vector, next one is D vector. This is a point. 5i cap, 2j cap, 8 cap. B vector is what? After scalar, 2i cap, 2j cap, k cap. Next one is what? After scalar. This is called point. Am I right? This is a point. We don't want this point. Only vector. B vector, D vector. Now what is asking? This is perpendicular. This is one side line, one perpendicular line, the other perpendicular line. Now what is asking now? You would draw the vector equation passing this point parallel to this vector. This idea. This parallel to this vector, pass this point. We want to equation. That's why here two points are given on, two vector side. Two vector P and D given no. Therefore, this is correctly. What is asking? Since the required line is perpendicular to both B and D. Perpendicular to both B vector and D vector. That means what actually? That means what? It will be parallel to B cross D. This is important idea. Separately, these are perpendicular. Combined together, B cross D is parallel to required equation. Now to find B cross D, in this area, B cross D. You got what? I cap, J cap, K cap. The O in I, J, K in B vector is what? 2, minus 2, 1. Okay? 1, 2, 2. Now next one. I cap with minus 4, minus 2. Minus J cap with 4, minus 1. K cap with 4 plus 2. Am I correct? Now minus 6I, minus 3J, plus 6K. This is B cross T. Now what is asking? Two format is asking. What is asking? Two format is asking. Okay, in all the terms are again, minus 3 is common time outside. What is the answer? 2I cap plus J cap minus 2K. Now first one is what is asking? Find the parametric form of vector equation is asking. Therefore, vector equation of straight line in parametric form. Parametric form. Am I right? What is the formula? R vector equal to A vector plus some scalar. Scalar maybe M, whatever maybe, into B cross D. Am I right? Parallel vector only one vector, but here what? Both vectors you know, that's B cross D. Now A vector already given. Our assumption, phi I cap 2J cap plus 8 cap plus M into P cross is what? Minus 3 into or minus 3M into 2Y plus J minus 2K. It's all cap. Am I right? Now again, phi I cap plus 2J cap plus 8K cap minus 3M one scalar, one more scalar. That's why you will put some other scalar. Together, one scalar, this is again one more scalar, T or S again. This is a vector equation of semi-parametric form. Next is what? Cartesian equation. Cartesian form. Alright, today what is Cartesian equation form? X minus x1 by b1, y minus y1 by b2, z minus z1 by b3. X minus, point is what? The given point, no? 5 to 8, that's the point. X minus 5, y minus 8, y minus 2, z minus 8. This is the point. Denominator is what? This is denominator. Alright? This is a big vector, parallel vector, no? 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 2. That is the answer. 2, 1. That is simple concept. Suppose one point parallel to one vector goes easy. Am I right? But here, two vectors are given. That's why these two vectors combined together is converted to perpendicular. You know, you want converted to parallel mean you will find B cross D vector. Afterwards, one point is a parallel vector. This formula. One point, one parallel vector means this is a Cartesian formula. Such a way we get answer. In the same type of problem, example also is there. This is easy method for you. By using the same method, same idea, you do in the exam problem also. The exam problem, some other method is given, but this is easy method for you. First problem over. Now question 2. Show that the two lines are Q lines and also hence find the shortest distance to the Q lines. Two lines are given. Now what I told you? R vector equals some scalar vector plus some scalar in another vector means the first one represent the point 6i cap, then j cap plus 2k. The after scalar is what? And B vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k. From second equation, this is called C vector equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap and D vector equal to, this is called R plus scalar. This is a format. From the question, you will guess the value of A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector. Here, listen here, here, B and D are not parallel. Am I correct or not? What is reason? Already you know. Both are same or some multiple of this one or this vector is some multiple scalar of this vector means both are parallel. But it is not parallel. That means not parallel is what? Automatically this is called they do not intersect. Therefore they are not intersecting. They do not intersect each other. Do not intersect. That's why hence they are skew lines. That's important. There and there skew lines. Very important. Suppose B and D are parallel mean they intersect each other. They are both parallel by using the parallel formula. Shortest this is the parallel formula. But in there do not intersect mean they are skew lines. That's why by using skew lines formula. What is the formula for shortest distance? Shortest distance between two lines. What is the formula? Delta equal to C vector minus A vector cross dot B cross D became modulus divided by K also modulus. This is the formula. Write the formula clearly. First find C vector minus A vector. Okay? What is C vector? Already our answer is what? 3A vector minus plus I plus 2J cap minus 2K cap minus A vector is what? 6I plus I cap plus 2K cap. Now separate both. What sir? You want to remove the bracket? 3I cap, 2J cap, 2K cap, minus 6I cap, minus J cap, minus 2 cap. Now cancel I with I, that is minus 3I cap. J with J, only J cap. K with K, minus 4 cap. In this way, you will find C minus A vector. Write the formula clearly. The formula is only C minus A vector. That's why I am writing C minus A vector minus 3I. J minus 4K. Now you will find B cross D. Am I right? B cross D. B cross D means what? I cap, J cap, K cap. Then coefficient I, J, K in B vector. B vector is only known 1, 2, minus 3. 1, 2, minus 3. B vector is what here? 2, 4, minus 5. 2, 4, minus 5. Now I cap into multiply minus 10 plus 1 minus I j cap into 1 into minus 5 plus 6 plus k cap into 4 minus 4. What is the answer? 2I cap here minus j cap, that is 0. Need not it. Am I right? Now you will find in the formula involved C minus A dot B cross C. Therefore C minus A or always find B cross C also. Modulus of B cross D. We want this one, you know, equal to root of 2 square minus 1 whole square. This is what? 4 plus 1 root of 5. So denominator is over. Now numerator is what? D minus A vector dot B cross D vector. C minus A vector is what? Minus 3I cap plus J cap minus 4K dot B cross A what? Already for 2I cap minus J cap. Dot part means you will consider I with I, that is minus 6. J with J, minus 1, that is minus 1. Now, what is asking? Shortest is this one, first equation. This is called first equation. Then 1 becomes delta equal to modulus of C minus A dot B cross C already but minus 7. Modulus of minus 7 divided by modulus of B cross C root of minus 5, root of 5. The modulus represent remove the negative. Am I right? Distance cannot be negative. That's why 7 divided by root of 5 is the answer. The important 5%. You will guess the plane B vector and D vector are parallel mean by using suitable formula. Another formula. What is another formula? C minus A dot B vector divided by only modulus of plus formula. B will not come because both are equal. But here not equal, that's why it is not parallel, that's why it's Q line by using this formula. Anyway, this is part of 5 mark question. Only when this call question, you must follow the formula, write the formula clearly. The formula involving C minus A, B cross C, minus of B cross C, dot product, cross product. After that, substitute all the way, we get the answer. That's all. The third question, exercise 6.5, third question. If the two lines, 1, 2, are intersect at a point, find the value of f. The first equation is given. Now, already told you, vector equation of a straight line passing through one point and parallel to n vector, we have two formulas. One is vector equation, one is Cartesian equation. This Cartesian equation is given. From this one, A vector is point. B vector means what? The parallel vector, denominator. 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k. Am I right? A vector means in numerator, consider numerator, x minus 1 equal to x is 1, first point. I cap minus j cap. In this way, we find. Similarly, second equation, x minus 3 by 1, y minus m by 2. Z only given now. This kind of z minus 0 by 1. Which implies A vector is what? The point. Minus 3 no, plus 3. 3i cap plus mj cap. 0 need not write. D vector equal to here 1i cap, 2j cap plus 1 cap. 1 cap. In this way, from the equation, you will guess the value of A vector, D vector, then C vector, D vector. Am I right? Now, again, the B and D are equal mean or scalar multiple of this is equal to this one mean parallel vector. This is not parallel vector. That's why what is given? Both the lines are intersect at a point. Saying the two lines are intersect at some point mean this is a formula. C vector minus A vector dot B cross C equal to 0. This is a formula. The formula equal to C minus A, B cross C. That's why I am writing C minus A. C vector minus A vector. Remove the bracket, that's it, multiply minus. Then subtract both 3i minus I, that is 2i. mj plus mj. J is common, k plus 1. Last one is k vector, minus k vector. Then B cross C vector. I cap, j cap, k cap. Now, B vector is what? This one, 2, 3, 4. B vector is what? 1 to 1. The co is ij. Now expand one. I cap into 3 minus 8. J cap into 2 minus 4. Plus k cap into 2 4 minus 14. Now minus 5 I cap. Minus 2 plus 2, you know. Plus 1 k. K cap. Therefore, substitute this value in the first formula. One become C minus A already find out. 2i cap, mj cap, sorry, 2i m plus 1 into j cap minus k cap dot minus 5i cap 2j cap plus k cap equal to 0. Now, dot by now, can I with I? 2 into minus 5, minus 1. M plus 1 into 2 into m plus 1. Last one, minus 1. Am I correct? Am I correct? Now you want to simplify, you get the value for m. Now, adding both minus 11 plus 2m plus 2 equal to 0. 2m coming to minus 9. Am I correct? So m equal to, what is the answer? 2m equal to 9. M equal to 9 by 2. This is the answer. This is also 5 mark question, but simple concept. Here also, you want to guess the A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector, after write the formula clearly. If the formula involving C minus A, B cross C, the dot product, simplify, you get the answer M. So, intersect at the point, this is the formula. Yes, sir. Now, exercise 6.5, third question, another model. I will do another model. The same thing only. From this one, this is converted into vector equation. Vector equation is of y vector, r vector equal to a vector plus s into b vector. A vector is the point, b vector is the diameter. This can be as x1, y1, the point represent, numerator is what? 1 minus 1, 1. b1, b2, b3 equal to 2, 3, 4. Am I correct? Similarly here, second point, y x2, y2, z2 is get 3, here m 0. Next d1, d2, d3 equal to denominator. The same thing, say the two lines are intersect at some point, no? This is a formula, no? This is the one dot, one cross, what is the formula? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, here b1, b2, b3, d1, d2, d3. This is also the same thing. This is also this vector format, this is Cartesian format, both are same. You write inside this formula, you will use this formula also. This both are same. Now substitute the value x2 minus x1, x1 3 minus 1. Am I correct? Next y2 minus m minus half minus 1 plus 1. Here 0 minus 1 minus 1. Then v1 is what? 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 1. Am I correct? Now directly I can 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Am I correct? Directly I can answer. 3 minus 1, 2. M minus half minus 1, that is plus 1, m plus 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. Here b1, b2, b3, d1 into x1, that is the answer. 2 into 3 minus 8 minus m plus 1 into 2 minus 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 3. Am I right? 2 into minus 5. Here minus, you know. Minus into minus plus 2 into m plus 1. Here minus 1 into 1. Here minus 10. 2m plus 2 minus 1 into 0. Now, add all the value minus 1, minus 10, minus 11, minus 9. 2m minus 9 equals 0. 2m equals 9. m equals 9 by 2. Because the two lines are intersect each other mean by using the formula C minus A vector dot B cross equal to 0 or otherwise this formula. Sometimes this formula is easy for you. That's very important. Sometimes the question show that these two lines are intersect each other mean by using this formula is easy for you. Okay? Maybe you have two methods. You do either by using previous method, this method. This is another method. This is the third question. Another method. Okay? By using this idea, another problem. Now question number 4. Show that these two lines are intersect. Also find the point of intersection. The two lines are intersect each other. That means what? You hear the formula, no? Previous formula. C vector minus A vector dot B cross equal to 0 or otherwise determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus 1, b1, b2, b3, d1, d2 equal to 0. In this way you will put it any other way. But the easy method for this one is what? You will assume the point x1, y1, x2. In this way you want to assume that determinant that is 0 means two lines are intersect each other. And also find the point of intersection in the next part. That's the important 5%. Now, what is given now? This is here x minus 3 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by minus 1. Here comma given, that means what? Comma given. That means what? Z minus 1 divided by 0. That is the ratio will be equal. That's important. Am I right? The equal to 0 is given. That means what? Cross multiply. Z minus 1 by 0 equal to 1 actually. The ratio will be equal. In this way you want to guess. And next one is what? X minus 6. This is given now. X. From this one you want to assume x1, y1, z1 equal to 3, 1, 1. And b1, b2, b3 equal to 3 minus 1, 0. Am I correct? And what is given? X minus 6 by 2. Next y minus 2 by 0. Y minus 2 by 0 equal to z minus 1 by 3. Now it implies what is the next point? x2, y2, z2 equal to 6, 2, 1. Change the sign. Then is what? d1, d2, d3 equal to 2, 0, 3. Am I correct? Now condition for the lines are intersecting. Write the formula. Condition for the intersecting. Intersecting is what is the formula? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, Here B1, B2, B3, B1, B2, B3 equal to 0 is the formula. Now I start this one. Now let me say x2 6 minus 3, that is 3. x2 the y2 minus y1, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. B1, B2, B3 is what? 3 minus 1, 0. Last 2, 0, 3. Am I right? Am I right? Substitute all the value in the determinant. We get the value 2. First one is what? 3 minus 1. Question is what? 61, 203, 311, 3 minus 1, 0. Sorry, here the question is y minus 3. That's why wrong answer is coming 3. What is the answer? 3. Now x2 minus x1, 3, 6 minus 3, 3. Next y2 minus y3, no? y2 minus y1, 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. Now automatically this is 0. What is the reason? What is this 0? R1 and R2 are identical. Am I right? Without expansion, you will put that as 0. Up determinant of this is equal to 0. Therefore, they are intersecting lines. They are intersecting. First part over. Am I right? What is asking? So that these two lines are intersected. That means determinant of is equal to 0. Or otherwise, please say is what? C vector minus A vector dot B cross D also 0. In this way also you will find, no problem. But here you will find B cross D vector, then C minus A, then dot. 3 steps are coming. But here only write the formula, substitute all the value, immediately we get the answer 0. Because of without expansion, this type of problem are getting 2 rows or columns are identical. That is 0. This is the first part. Now next part is what? To find the point of intersection. Put the heading. This is important part. 5 more question. Very first take. The first one is, what is the first equation? Our assumption. X minus 3 by 3 equal to y minus 3 by 1 minus 1 equal to z minus 1 by 0 equal to, you will assume yes. Take. Any point is simply equal first to the last. That is what? X minus 3 by 3 equal to s. X minus 3 equal to 3s. X equal to 3s plus 3. In this way equating x is what? 3s plus 3. Next minus s plus 3. 0s 300. Then plus 1. Am I right? In this way you want to equate. Again they undertake next equation. X minus x by 2 equal to y minus 2 by 0 equal to z minus 3. Now any point is what? Equal to s, the t get 2. Am I right? Now cross multiply 2 into 2t plus 6. 0 into t, 0 minus 2 plus 2. 3 into t, 3t plus 1. Am I right? Now some example is that equating both, equate this point and this point, to find the value of s and t, substitute s value here or t value here, that is the point of intersection. Somewhat example, okay? Here I do. What is the reason? See, R1 is R2, identical. Now, it implies equating both the points. 3s plus 3, comma, minus s plus 3, 1. Equal to, what is the point? 2t plus 6, 2, 3t plus 1. Am I right? Now equating first point with first point, then second point with second point, third point with third point. Am I right? In this way, you will equating 3t plus s, then minus actually what is not 1 actually 1 only. Am I right? Minus will get only. Now equal last point with the last point. 1 equal to 3t plus 1. Am I right? 1 minus 1 equal to 3t. 3t equal to 0. T equal to 0. Am I right? First point goes. Now equally second point with second point. Minus s plus 3 equal to 2. Minus s equal to 2 minus 3. S equal to 1. Am I right? Because minus 1 minus 1 cancel. Now therefore the point of intersection is bracket. Put t equal to 0 here. What is the answer? 2 into 0, 0, 6. 2, not t here. T 0 means 3 into 0, 0, 1. This is the point. Or otherwise, s equal to 1 is here, substitute here. 3 1 are 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Then s equal to 1 no? Am I correct? 3 minus 1, 2. Last 1. Am I correct? In this way, you will substitute either t equal to 0 here or s equal to here. Both answers will be equal, definitely. This type of equation is very important. 5%. First step, both the equations are intersect each other. That means small idea from the equation you will guess the value of x1, x2, x3. Then x1, y1 is 1, x2, y2 is 2, b1, b2, b3, d1, d2, 3. Then write the formula involving this value, substitute all the value, definitely 0 is coming. Therefore they are intersect each other. Then point of it is giving the first equation that will be s. From s you will find the x value, y value, z value. Similar t, again x value, y value, z value. Both the points are equal. Since they are intersecting, no. Since this is what? Since they are intersecting. That's why intersecting. That's why both are equal. Intersecting. That's why both the points are equal. After that, equality 1 by 1. First with the first being s and t involving, we will not get the answer. But next, second, third, immediately get the value for s and t. Substitute t value here or s value here. That is the answer. You got a 5 more question. Now question number 5. Show that the straight line, two lines are skew, and find the shortest distance between them. This is the equation. Now what I told you, this is a Cartesian equation. In numerator, involving only x, start x, no number is only here. But here it start with what actually y, divided by y. That means what? Denominator divided by 2. Okay? Here no number is 0. Next, we want only z, divided by minus 1, that is minus 1 by 12. Here no number is 0. In this way, you will assume. That's very important. Now, therefore, let a vector equal what? The first one, minus I cap, 0 not right, d not right. That's all. Next, d vector equal what? Sorry. D vector equal what? 1 cap plus 1 by j cap minus 1 by 4 k cap. Next, this can be as x means x minus 0 by 1, y plus 3 means y plus 2 by 1. This can be z minus 1 divided by 6, you know. Denominator divided by 6. Am I right? Numerator divided by 6 means z minus 1 will come. Denominator no number is 1 divided by 6 to 1 by 6. Now let a be the c vector equal to 0 need not write minus 2i cap plus 1 cap and d vector equal what? 1 cap j cap plus 1 by 6 k cap. Now I want to assume a vector, b vector, c vector. What is the reason? Shortest distance between them asking. For shortest distance between the skew, what is the formula? C modulus of c vector minus c vector dot b cross c vector divided by modulus of b cross c vector. That's why I am saying a vector, b vector, c vector, d vector. This question what is asking? Show that the two lines are intersect each other. Am I right? Point of intersection asking. Point of intersection asking me what is the meaning? You will find the x value, y value. Points mean x comma y comma z. No. That's why by using from this equation you will find the point x1 comma y1 comma z1. x2, y2, z2. In this way, I want to assume. But here, a vector, b vector, z vector, d vector. Now write the formula. Find one by one. Am I right? First find c vector minus a vector. Am I right? C vector is what? minus 2I vector 2I cap plus j cap minus I cap, that is plus, that is minus I cap plus j cap. Minus or minus plus I cap minus 2I cap, that is what? Minus I cap. Then B cross D. I vector, I cap, j cap, k cap. Am I right? B vector is what? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Next D vector 1 by 6. Now multiply I cap into multiply 1 by 12 minus of minus 1 by 12. Minus j cap into 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. K cap 1 minus now. Am I right? Now adding both I cap into 12 is LCM 1 plus 1 2 minus it's only LCM 2 plus 1. The 2 is LCM 2 minus 1. Am I right? Now simplify 1 by 6 with I cap 3 by 12. That's all. 1 by 4 with j cap. Yeah? 1 by 2 k cap. Am I right? Now C vector minus A vector dot B vector cross B vector is equal to C minus A is what? Minus I cap plus k cap. Dot is 1 by 6 I cap. 1 by this one plus 1 by 2 k cap. Now multiply I with I, J with k, k with k. That is idea, no? What is the answer? What is the answer? Simplify. Minus 1 by 6, 0 linear type, plus 1 by 2. Am I right? Now 6 is LCM. Minus 1 plus 3, that is what? 2 by 6. Am I right? This is not equal to 0. Am I correct? This is not equal to 0. That's why. Not equal to 0 means what is the meaning? They are skew lines. With 0 means indecent lines. Not equal to 0 means skew lines. Now take the formula substitute. Not equal to 0. There. Now only take the formula for skew lines formula. Right there, skew lines formula. Therefore, now find the modulus of B cross C also. Am I right? We need this one. What's the answer? Modulus of. What's the answer here? 1 by 6 whole square. Minus 1 by 4 whole square. Plus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 36. 1 by 16. 1 by 2. Now take LCM and simplify. We get the answer. What is LCM actually? Become a now. 144 is the LCM. Here 4 times. Here how many times? 9 times. Here how many times? 3. 36 times. Adding 49 to 144. That is what? 7 by 4. Therefore, shortest distance between two lines. What is the formula? Modulus of C minus A dot B cross D divided by modulus of B cross C formula. Here 7 by 2 is the answer. What is limited? Limit is what? 7 by 6. Here, actually here 7 by 6 is given. Consists what? C minus A dot B cross C is 7 and 6 is given. You check yourself. The first one is what? C minus A is what? C minus A. Where is C? Here only, sir. Here only C minus A. Actually, here small mistake. First value 0, no? I vector 0. J vector only 2J. Here 2J will come. Am I correct? 2J. Parts is what? Plus I minus 2J plus K. But C, BD is correct. Now C minus A is here. I vector minus 2J vector plus K vector. Now I by, that is 1 by 6. J with J, minus into minus plus, here 1 by 2 will come. 2 into 1 by 4, no? 1 by 2. Now 6 is here, no? 1 plus, here, 3 plus 3. Or 7 by 6 times. The answer is, here 7 by 6, the modulus. Possible, you know, need not put that way, need not put modulus. Then 7 cancel, 12 by 6, what is the answer? 2 is the answer. But reciprocal is what? 7 by 6 into 12 by 7, cancel. 2 is the answer. Then we have fractions coming, do the complex itself, then only the correct answer. But anyway, shortest distance between them asking. That's why this is a formula. That's why I am finding C minus A vector, B plus C vector, the modulus of B plus C. Before that, you will prove dot point is equal to 0 mean they are inversely lines. Not equal to 0 mean they are inversely skew. That's very important. That's why I am assuming A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector. Not x1, y1, z1. Previous questioning, point of interest asking. That's why I am assuming A1, x1, y1, z1. Etc. But here, shortest distance between the keywords asking. That's why the formula is A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector. That's why I am assuming A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector. Before that, given equation not in order. What is equation not given? You will convert it into, it is of the form x minus r, x something by something, y something by something, z something by something. In this way, error is negative or positive, that is not a matter. Numerator is called point, denominator is called, what's the answer? B vector, D vector. In this way, you want to assume, you got a 5 more question. This is the way. Now listen here, 6th question. Find the parametric form of the vector equation. Straight line of the positive to the point parallel to the straight line. Find the shortest distance between them. What is the given point? Minus 1, 2, 1. That is the A vector. And the pair to the given vector is after scalar, you know, this is called B vector. Now one point, one parallel vector given me. What is asking? Parametric equation of the vector is asking, no. Parametric form of the vector equation is R vector equal to A vector plus scalar into B vector. In the question of T given, that's why I want to assume another scalar. A vector plus S into B vector. A vector given point, B vector same parallel vector. And the given equation line is what? The same thing, already given. From the two equations, the first one is what? Point A. Next, first one is A vector, called point A vector. Next B vector, sorry, C vector. The after scalar, you know, the same thing will come. Both are equal, you know, that's why parallel vector. That is called what? B vector. They are different from one another mean B vector, D vector. But here both are same. That's why B vector. This is parallel vector. Am I correct? A, then parallel vector, the C, again B vector. B not right. Now this is a parallel vector. That's why parallel straight line. That's why shortest distance between the parallel line is what? Say delta equal to C minus A vector plus B vector by 1B. First point C minus A vector. Now subtract both. What times are 3I care, then plus J care minus 2K. Now cross point on C minus A cross B vector. What is the formula? What is the idea? I care, J care, K care, C minus A, 3, 1 minus 2. B vector, what is 1? minus 2 1. Am I correct? I cap into 1 minus 4. J cap into 3 plus 2. K cap into minus 6 minus 1. Simplify. Minus 3 I cap minus 5 J cap minus 7 K. Now we want modulus. C minus A vector cross B vector equal to modulus means the coefficient I J K should be square in order. Inside square. Am I correct? Minus 3 square minus 5 square minus 7 square. Am I correct? Equal to 9 plus 25 plus 49 equal to what? 83. Am I right? Now find modulus of B also. Am I right? Modulus of B is what? 1 square minus 2 square 1 square equal to what? Root of 6. Therefore shortest distance between the parallel line equal to what? Numerator root of 83 by a root of 6. No simplification, there is an answer. Maybe you must know the formula clear. But here what is extra work? 1 point given, then parallel vector, you will find one more vector equation, parametric vector equation. Then as usual. This is only by using the formula only. That's all. Now question 7th question. This is the last question for this exercise 6.5. Find the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 542 to the one side line. Also find the equation of perpendicular. Now, for example, this is one equation. This is equation. You will find the foot of the perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular here from 5, 4, 2. Am I right? This is a parallel vector. Now, the given equation, no, the given is called point A is minus 1, 3, 4. B is what? The parallel vector, no, 2y cap plus 3j cap minus 1 cap. The given point is what? 4, 5, 4, 2, let it be OD vector. Now, this equation can be written as simply take this T. The F is the foot of the perpendicular from T to the line, no? Then, the point is what? 2T minus 1. Am I correct? 2T minus 1. 3T plus 3. Am I correct? Minus 3 plus 1. Am I correct? The OF vector is what? 2T minus 1 into I cap plus 3T plus 3 into j cap plus 1 minus 3, no? 1 minus 3 into j cap. Am I right? Then df, you will find df. The df, you know? The df and d vector are perpendicular. That's why I am finding df vector. OD minus OF. Then OD vector is what? 5 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 2 k cap. Then OF is what? 2T minus 1 into I cap, 3T plus 3 into j cap, 1 minus 3 into k cap, change the sign. Am I right? Equal to 5 minus half minus 1 plus 1, 6 minus 2T into I cap. Am I right? Plus minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1 j, minus 3, 1 minus 3T into j cap. Am I right? Now minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 plus t, 1 plus t. Am I right? Since the b vector and the df vector are perpendicular. Perpendicular means b vector dot df vector equal to 0. On the top right, b vector equal to what? Our assumption 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap dot 6 minus 2t by cap 1 minus 3t is j cap 1 plus t into k cap close bracket equal to 0. Now I is the 2 into 6 is 12 minus 4t. Am I right? 3 was 3 plus minus 9t minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus t equal to 4. Now 4t minus 9t, that is what? Minus 13t minus 3, that is minus 13, 14t. Numbers are what? 1 minus 1 no minus 1 2 14. Am I right? Now the answer is minus 14t plus 14t because minus 15 14. Am I right? Now what is asking? The foot of the perpendicular point is asking. Actually foot means point is asking. The point F is what? Foot of the perpendicular is, therefore the foot of the perpendicular is our answer, you know, 2t minus 1, 2 into 1, 1 2 minus 1 1, 3 into 1, 3 also 3 plus 3 6, then minus 1 plus 1 that is 0. This is perfect. Now what is next part asking? Equation perpendicular DF is asking. Therefore equation of perpendicular DF is asking. This is called F point. D point I will 542. The D is what? 542. F is what? 160. This is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Now what is the formula? 2-point formula. X minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Z minus z1 by z2 minus z2 formula. Now x minus x1 is what? 5 divided by x2 is what? 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Direct answer. Y minus 4. Second point minus second point 2. Z minus 2. Third point minus third point minus 2. This is the answer. 2 points are given. Therefore, by the 2-point formula, you find the equation of the perpendicular. That is what? 2-point formula. That is the answer. First point, F, that is called foot of the perpendicular, afterwards 2-point formula. This exercise is completely over. Refer the example problem. I did all the exercise problem. Today that's all.